have no idea how to start. This is my first video. The idea to make a video came in like 30 minutes ago, so this kind of out of the blue. I'm using the Microsoft built-in recorder, which is on the Xbox game bar. So it's definitely not the most convenient way, but it was the first way to get it done without having to install anything. So my name is Lily. I guess that's my surname, but I'm clearly not used to speaking in English, but I know that nerds that tend to like this stuff most know English, so it's more accessible, I guess. Is it? I don't know. And maybe it's a way for me to train my speaking, because I was looking at my Cambridge test and I realized that if speaking was the one to carry me, I would be screwed. But okay, aside the college stuff, I think I will show you some of the cool stuff I've seen on the web. I never owned a computer before, so this is my first time having the opportunity to look at such websites. And I'm autistic, I need to make a long form video showing this stuff. I can't just talk to my friends a little bit about it, it's not enough. Yeah, I think whoever receives the video probably knows about the indie web, but I will talk about it anyway, in case hypothetical viewer doesn't know. This video probably gonna get like 10 views at most. Okay, I'm on the Google Place. I've typed new cities, which is one of those website aggregators, the hosting services, I'm sorry. And there's another one called NecoWeb, I'll show you them both. But this one I'm already logged in. I can see my website. This is if you're logged in. You can see if you follow someone, which is weirdly hard to do for some reason, but if you follow a website inside new cities, you can see their updates. See that Mimi posted some more cute art. It's nice. She changed her layout, I think, around. It wasn't purple. There is Thundercat, which is making a Tamagotchi web ring. I won't show her website here because in Chrome it doesn't work very well, but it's very cool website. This is just the people that I follow. I've already sorted out who I will show over here. And what you normally want to do is you go to websites. If you want to follow someone, you see the homepage of this website, you think it's cool, you click on the user, not the home, or else you go there. Click on here. Yeah, you get the option to follow, the option to share. I never clicked on this button, I don't know what Mastodon is. You can see there's you can see their stats. I don't know why you would do that. And their updates, it's very normal. And who they follow, which is cool, it's social. The weird thing about new cities, and I don't know if it's a problem with me or with the website, is that you cannot search for a website inside. Meaning that unless the person marks on their website what their link, look in the bottom left corner, what their site link is of their profile, you won't be able to follow them. And or in a weirder case, if you have a website like this one, which I marked as unfollowable website, if you try to look here, if you try to just put in the new cities link and their name, third, it will direct you to the website, but not their profile page. I have no idea why this happens. So I keep in my mind to always check this website outside of new cities because it won't get updated to me. And also I'm gonna start with this one. It's very cute. I really like it. I really like the way it's formatted with this pixelated font, which is very slim. Yeah, it's so. I tend to not like stuff that is minimalist, but this is an exception for me. This is incredibly good. Like just a little yellow shade there, just to give it attention. There is the log, which is one of the coolest diaries I found. And yeah, it's a diary, so there is no real way for me to get into that. There are many websites that are just diaries which I read but aren't that interesting in video, and this is one of them. One thing that I find a little strange is that a lot of the website's content is outside the home access, and I don't know why, but I think it's fine. Oh, one feature that a lot of new cities websites have, but it's not made through new cities, is the guest book. You sign up to some website that offers guest books. In my case, I use Etabook, and they store the information. The reason why we don't do this on new cities is because the this the it's better for me to show. I'll go to my website really quick and I'll go to edit it. There is this directory of files which you can host there. I'm only using 3%. You get 1 gig of storage, which is actually a lot because of the types of files you use here. It's not little. But you cannot make a PHP file, which is one you use to store data. You can't get data from people coming in that way, which is how you would normally store data from farms. So they use an outside website where you log in your email and you create this web page. And it's very nice. You can comment. You can see when the people did it. You can respond to people, which is great. Answer people. So. And yeah, this is the first. Now, I'm gonna hold on. Okay, I've come in to check if the recording went well, because I don't want to go through the whole story of, oh no, the audio didn't pick up or something. Apparently it's fine, and apparently the way I speak sounds really weird, but okay. I wasn't accustomed to hearing my own voice, let alone in English. Okay, this is another website, and I think, and it's such a cute website. I mean, her art. I'll show more of her art over here. Love the little animation that plays when transitioning between websites. Just this paint style of art, and like, I don't know, it's whimsical. I like it a lot. Ah, yeah, I think you can make stuff here too. The Drawbox, which is something a lot of websites have too. I've never used hers personally, but like, can make a little smile, a little heart. I don't know. I suck at drawing on the it's not the mouse, it's the trackpad, I think. I forgot the name. Okay. Yeah, what I love about this website is how it uses CSS a lot. It tilts things a bit, which I still don't know how to do. I gotta learn about that. Everything is super stylized. Look, and it plays an animation when you hover over it. Oh, this is a thing that is common for a lot of websites. There will be a ton of links put in sequence without any margin, like just a block of other places to go, which I think is really awesome. You look at the one that looks more interesting, like Pudding Skull, and click it. So I have animation others don't. Yeah, and this is how you would add her button on your website, which I should do. I didn't do that. I didn't realize I could at the time I was visiting. Yeah. Oh, this is a web link. You see there are some signs. I forgot the name of the thing. But if you click on the right one, for example, you go to the next website on this web link. It's like, I heard someone say that it's like a circle of people holding hands, and you pass from one to the next. I think this makes sense. Look, I went to milkway.moe, which looks cool, but I've never visited this website before. Okay, I'll talk about I'll be talking about how the culture over here works. Like, people sometimes expect you to put these little things. Oh, there's a cat following my mouse. This is cute. Some people expect you to put on these sensors so that people who enter the website can know if they should be here or not. I don't really get it why, because kids that are looking at websites, they shouldn't be looking. Another type should stop doing that after they acknowledge it. So I don't know why I would do that. For trigger warnings, this can make sense, but it's not really a trigger warning. I put it on mine. It's a rule that some web links have, that you should probably have a age rating on your website. Yeah, I don't really see a point, but it's at least cool. Look, this is the adopt a censorship panda. There are many of them. I've never seen a website with any that wasn't the 14 upwards. Like, why would you rate it G? It just means that anyone can access. I've also never seen Lady X or Nairo. Okay. Yeah, you can see there's the about me, there are the songs that I like, which I really like this webpage, because you can really see the hover effect in action. And it's a little card that you can scroll and you can play the song. There are many, she really filled this up. And there go to the side, like, those small details make me really like this place. So, but this is about how much I'll go into Sophia's website. Now, I think I want to look at all these websites. It's a bit too many of them. So I will go to the White Desert, I think, which is a Yuminiki fan site. And I mean, it's supposedly more than just Yuminiki, but it's basically focused on Yuminiki. It uses one of the deep areas in the game as the aesthetic, and I just love the White Desert on the original game. Oh, this here is rare, but it is possible. There are some services that you can use to host message to just have real-time messages between users. It's different from the other one because you don't make a post, you just type something out, and each one can answer another thing. I don't know if this is that type, but it does exist. And many use Chatable for that, and you can have actual talks. There are the update section that some people keep in check. I never really read them. Can look at the webmaster, the links. Let's look at the webmaster. Very cool. Its gender is evil. No, his gender is evil, I guess. Very nice. Yeah, and I will show you in home. Every website has every page from this website has its own song. Oh, cut it out. Okay, I don't know if it could hear my voice. The song from the game started playing, but it could maybe overshadow my voice. And yeah, this one uses the theme of the Star World, which is a world that I hate on the original game, but some people like it, I guess. And talk about summary, the interpretation, personal thoughts. You can go to the next one. Everything formatted differently. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. If you want CSS inspiration, like how to styles of boxes and how to position things absolutely on the page, which means not in a flow that goes like this, just put them anywhere you want. This place shows you how it can be done. Okay, this is the end of the video. I hope I didn't stutter too much. I think I already did, but I'm not looking forward to editing this on my laptop because it seems Premiere is way too contracted here. Like things occupy space. I'm gonna have to organize all that, and I will have to cut out a section because the website changed so much. I was dumbfounded when looking at it, and I hope this makes someone day a little brighter, get them off their own head, like I did with mine. And yeah.